Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. This is how to recover account in perfect money without email or SMS. So guys, in order for you to do this, first thing that you will do is of course go to justmoney.com, and from here guys, just simply go ahead and click on contact us over here at their home page. So click on contact us. And from here, you should be able to see here secure ticket system and click on this hyperlink, and you will have a ticket in order for you to submit a problem. So now from here, just simply go ahead and provide your name and provide your email as well and provide your member ID and choose a department as well. So let's say I'm gonna go for problem with my account, and now just simply provide the subject. So let's say I'm gonna go for our title, and from here just simply provide the memo and just simply explain that you don't have access with your email and SMS, and just simply provide the touring number as well and click on continue. And from here guys, make sure to copy this pin. As you can see, we have a ticket pin over here, and as you can see, we have a reminder here that we should review our ticket, and we should review the information that we provided and make sure it is correct. And now just simply copy the ticket pin and click on continue. I save the pin, and after that just simply provide the pin over here and click on confirm. And after that guys, you should be able to send a ticket into the support of Perfect Money, and from there guys, a customer support will help you out on what to do in your situation. And as you can see, to view the reply, you will have to enter the ticket pin. So just simply go ahead and click on log into your ticket over here and provide the pin and click on log in. And as you can see, you should be able to see here if the support answered your question, and as you can see, it will take up to 48 hours. And remember guys, this is your best option when you forgot your email and SMS. If this video was helpful, please like and subscribe, and thanks for watching. See ya!